walk in the room and like, who that? I play with these words, I do that. Damn. They say I'm driving them crazy. I'm the shit, but you already.
What's up, Dimes and Gems? Hey guys, Dymond Azania here, aka Purple Rain. For those that are chulas, today I'm going to be just showing you guys an unboxing. Sorry, it's moving around. Hold on. Make sure nothing moves. Unboxing Princeton Perez new skincare collection that he did with Glow Skin Enhancement. I keep looking at the box because it's so nice. I'm so excited. So right now I'm just gonna do the unboxing, and then maybe tomorrow, which is Wednesday night or Thursday night, I'm gonna do the skincare routine for the night routine. And then over the weekend, I'll do the daytime one. I can't do it right now because my phone's about to die. So, here it is. It's like matte black, and then his signature is here, which I can't tell if it says Princeton Perez, but who cares? It's Princeton. I'm so proud of you, my love. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So my box just like did this, the ghetto. So this is what the box looks like. Okay, and it comes with a exfoliating day and night cleanser, a rejuvenating night cream, a daily moisture cream, a refreshing morning face vitamin like a serum, and then a night repair defense serum. So let's take it out the box. So this is the exfoliating day and night cleanser. I'm gonna just smell it. Oh, it smells really good. It smells like fresh. I don't know what to say. That's what it smells like. The consistency. Let me sit this down because if you drop this, it's gonna break. It's gonna break because the bottle is matte glass. So this is the consistency. As you can see, it's very like slippery, watery, but it suds right up. I don't know if you can tell, but it smells really good. So we're gonna leave that there. Let's go ahead and open up the night repair defense serum. Oh, this smells good. I don't even know what this smells like. It smells like candy or something. Oh, it feels nice and smooth, guys. I cannot wait to try this on my face. So I will be trying this tonight, but I won't be recording. So I'll be recording sometime this week to give you guys a demo and a review. All right, this is the refreshing morning face vitamin. Okay, that's like a little cold. I like that. That also has a nice consistency, very smooth, and I don't know. This smells like lemongrass or something. Okay, let's open this bad boy up. Oh, so this is the night cream. All right, so this is the consistency, guys. It smells really good, like very like clean and like real simple smell, if that makes any sense. It's not like extra and overpowering, because I don't like, when I wash my face, I don't like my skincare products to have a lot of scent to them because it makes my skin break out. And let's see what this moisture cream is like. And this is a daily cream, so you can use this night and morning. This just smells like cream. But it's very good consistency. I'm gonna give a better review and everything at the end of this week once I tried it out, you know, and then give you guys a review and then a demo of me putting it on. But if y'all want this video, because I'm going to post it on my Instagram, there's a snippet right now. But if y'all want this video, comment down below that you want the video so I can record it. And I'll make sure to post it on here, on my Instagram. I'll post a little bit of snippets on my TikTok. And I'm going to post it on YouTube. So, without further ado, I'm going to end it here. I will be back with the rest of this video soon. Princeton, if you see this, I'm very, very, very proud of you. I love you so much. Mwah. All right, good night. Hi. I took my glasses off just because it makes the lighting a little better in the room for some reason. But we're back with another video, guys. I know it's been a minute. It's been like a month since I posted. Bear with me. I've been busy. I'm a teacher, so it's kind of hard to post when you gotta do lessons and all of that stuff. And sometimes I just be lazy. But it's okay. I'm about to get back into my YouTube bag. Yeah, so we're doing the skincare routine. We are going to be doing the night and the morning skincare routine for the Princeton Perez His and Her skincare collection that he collaborated with Glow Skin Enhancement. I could have just did the nighttime routine tonight, which I am, and then do the morning one in the morning, but I don't feel like doing that. I'm ready to get this video up so y'all can watch it, comment, subscribe, of course, and get the views up. And I just want my video up. It's been a minute, guys, and I'm so excited. Princeton, I want to say I'm so proud of you. I've been rocking with Princeton, he already knows, since day one, since Miles Behavior days. Probably before that, because I knew about him when he was like, you know, in the is it Gym Class Heroes video when he was Baby Cupid. Yeah, so I've been rocking with Princeton for about 10 years. That's crazy. And now he's out with his own skincare line, and it is amazing, guys. So it's not the first time that I've used it. I wanted to come on here and do the skincare routine when I used it maybe like a week, and it's Sunday, and I've been using it since Monday or Tuesday. And as you can see, my skin, let me move this ring light. My skin looks really good. It does. I really like it. So let's go ahead and do the morning routine first, and then the next clip, not next clip, but like the next clips will be of me doing the nighttime routine. So without further ado, Dimes and Gems, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do that so you don't miss no new uploads. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads when I upload. You know, I'm almost at 200 subscribers. I need one more subscriber, so make sure you guys help your girl out. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go wet my face and come back. Yeah, but okay. We have the exfoliating day and night cleanser. So I really like this because you can use this in the day and in the night. It's a 2-in-1, and I really like it. It is 4.2 ounces, and this is to reveal a smoother and brighter, more even looking complexion, which we love. This is a simple, gentle, and natural exfoliating scrub which polishes and melts away excessive oil, buildup, and debris without stripping skin. So as you can see, my skin, not trying to brag or nothing, my skin is actually really, really nice. But I do have like blemishes and stuff that I can see that this has been working because I've been using this for a week. And like a few days ago, all of this was just like, it wasn't bad, but it was like pimples and like little marks and stuff right here. And they're kind of fading away. So that's a good thing. So let's go ahead and pump this on my hand. You don't need a lot. It smells good. Like I said previously in the other clip, if you want to know what it smells like fresh, which I really like. And look at that, it lathers up so good, meaning you don't need a lot. Like, you really don't. I might have to go add some more water, but I don't feel like it. You don't need a lot, which is a good thing, because you don't want to have a product where you gotta excessively use it to get the product out and it doesn't work. It's not suds enough as good as it can if I was doing this in the bathroom, but that's okay. Get out of my eyes. And I also use this skincare line before I applied my makeup yesterday, and I can definitely say it made my makeup look 10 times better. So we're gonna go ahead and just rinse this away. Ooh. Whew. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, my skin looks bright, which I really like. It gives a good glow to the skin. My skin feels soft to the touch. It doesn't feel tight, because sometimes some cleansers are made to strip away the excess oil, the dirt, the debris, whatever else is in your skin, and really strips away everything. And then after that, your face feels hard and like this, and I don't like that. So this is the refreshing morning face vitamin serum, and it says it's instantly absorbing face oil to brighten, hydrate, and leave skin glowing throughout your day. And this is a 0.5 fluid ounce bottle. It's not that big. I don't know if you can see it, but it also has his signature. His signature, Princeton's signature, is on all of the products. It says on the box you only need 3 drops. Is it 3 drops? Yep, use the dropper, deposit 2 to 3 drops into your hand, and gently distribute the product evenly over your face. All right, so let's do that. 1. Ooh, that Band-Aid. 2, 3. Okay. This is the one that, like I said, this smells like lemongrass, which I don't mind. It's not too crazy about lemongrass scent. Might add another drop just on my forehead. And what I like about it, it doesn't make my face look oily. The only thing I can say, and it's probably because I have sensitive skin, and also because the product is working. I looked it up. It's certain ingredients that make the skin tingle. That's just for me. That's not a bad thing. But since it's been tingling, it's not like excessively tingling, like to the point where I need to stop using the product. It's only when I put on the serums. And it might be because whatever products they use, that's what it's supposed to do, or just because that's how my skin is. But okay, this is the last thing for the daytime routine. Can't get it out of the box. This is the daily moisture cream, and I think that's what you use last. Yes, because it's not the nighttime routine yet. Okay. Okay, so this is what it's looking like with the daytime. Okay, that is the end of the morning routine, and as you can see, guys, my skin looks really good. Why am I yelling? My skin looks really good. It's glowing. Like, I love it. My skin feels soft to the touch. It doesn't feel like sticky, if that makes any sense, and I just really like it. And I can tell it's going to make my skin just even more better than it already is. So we're gonna go ahead and do the night routine, and then that will be the end of this video, guys. Yeah, I know it's not a long video, but it's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I really went in and like wet the hell out of my face to make sure this product really works. All right, so you're gonna go in with the exfoliating day cleanser. I did like 2 drops. Look at that. I'm just so in love with this. I love that it's light, especially for somebody that has sensitive skin. You don't want a whole bunch of stuff on your face. Like me, I don't need a whole bunch of cleansers that are heavy, and this is perfect. I'm gonna wind up purchasing me a what is it called? A cleanser brush for my face, so I don't have to use my fingers and my hands. So with the nighttime stuff, you go in with the serum, the night repair serum, and it's for blemish and defense serum. And you're gonna again use the dropper and use 2 or 3 drops to distribute across your face. And again, like it said on the bottle, it says increase hydration and reduce visible lines and wrinkles during nocturnal hours. I have wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles. I guess I get them in my sleep. I don't know, but I'm 26. I don't got no damn wrinkles. Take with the book. Excuse me, Mr. Fly. Want to be featured in my video. I think this is one of my favorites out of the whole collection because it smells so good. It smells like, I don't know, like candy. That's what I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 drops. That's okay. Smells so good. Just like candy. I'm done. Alright, so go ahead and get that. See, the serum, the nighttime serum doesn't tingle. Look, Mr. Fly, you gotta move. But this one doesn't, so that's good. The morning one, I'm gonna have to kill it. I'm sorry, I don't like bugs. And now I'll go in with, oh, not the night cream. The night cream's last. Sorry. I'll go in with the Daily Moisture Cream. I should know how to do this in order because I do this, been doing it for a week, but my mind is like right now. I don't know. All right. Got a little bit on my hand. And just rub it all in. All right, and there we go. That is the Daily Moisture. So this is the last part. This is the Rejuvenating Night Cream. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on my skin. It smells like oats. I don't know, that's what it smells like. But it goes on smooth like butter and I love it. Oh, I love this night cream. I just love the whole collection. Princeton, you outdid yourself. But okay, Dimes and Gems, this is my skin. This is my skin looking nice and good and glowing. But this is the end of the video, Dimes and Gems. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Ignore the fly in the back. Please help me reach my goal of 200 subscribers. I just need 1 more. Shout out to all the chulas. What up, y'all? I know a few of you guys are watching this video. Love you guys. Princeton, I love you. So proud of you. All right, guys. Bye. Oh, so this is the night cream. I just dropped it on my pants. Ignore the fly in the back. Sorry for the screaming. That scared the heck out of me. I just walked and I saw something fly. I don't got my glasses on, so I can't see. Like, it's crazy. Hey, yo. Get out. We gotta go. Like, the nighttime routine skincare. I said the nighttime routine skincare. What? With the nighttime. Leave it up to me to always do videos and something crazy happens. Wait, y'all like my hair? Got a little heart. Yeah, my friend did it. Shanika, shout out to her.
Bitch on the shit like a diaper. I get it lit like a lighter.